filming it. This looks fresh, you don't bark at him. Watch the edge. Watch the edge. We'll go off the edge. We'll go off the edge.
Wow. This is amazing. Hello everybody, hope you're all having a good Saturday. Just coming to the bathroom out the way. You can see from the videos today we have been to Bangor, which I told you yesterday in the vlog that we would be going to Bangor today. We've also been to Manai, I think it's called Manai Town, and Bangor, I think you pronounce it. But yeah, we've been to 3 different places today. They were really nice as well. Again, it's another short vlog, but I thought if I did 2 short vlogs together in 2 days, that means I can do 2 videos to upload within 24 hours, which is quite good. It's been a great day basically. I think I've probably spent about £40, so not too bad. I will show you what I bought though. Okay, I've had to put you there where the mirror is. Where did I spend that £40, I bet you're wondering? So we had breakfast, which was £6.95 I believe, with tea. So that's a big full English breakfast. I know, guilty as charged. Appetizing. That wasn't obviously from you, Luke. So I picked up this coat. Now, because I'm quite small, I ended up being able to fit in a 12 to 13 in kids. So, but it was only £12, and it's this lovely water coat. I don't know if you can tell, it's got a hood on. So that's just a nice green khaki water coat there that I had. Some cotton buds, random, and I've got some nail polish. This burgundy coloured, well I think it's dark mocha. It's called dark mocha, and that one was £3 I believe. So I got that one. It's a matte one as well. Then I got, now I'm in love with this and I haven't tried it yet. This is Dusty Pink. And this one is like a nudie peachy pink, so really I'm looking forward to trying that one. Yeah, so I've got those two. So that was about £6. The coat was £12. I got Jacob a top, which was £8. And I think that was about it then, plus breakfast and that drink there. Just had this pizza and it was so good. It was like Italian, obviously. And it got mozzarella cheese, spinach, cherry tomatoes. So simple, but so good. And it was quite healthy as well. I really enjoyed that. I had the whole thing with some olives as well. I had a little tub of olives and a smoothie. So I had quite a healthy tea tonight, I'm not gonna lie. When I did the vlog for yesterday, I was only able to upload that this morning when we were out. So when we go out tomorrow, I'll probably then upload this one. And tomorrow the weather is not meant to be the best, so yeah, not as much greatness to vlog tomorrow, but I just hope you all enjoyed this video and I will see you all shortly. Bye!